Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017 and the question goes thus. Calculate the current through the circuit above. Okay, so the formula for finding the current is gotten from V, this is the voltage, equals current times the resistance. And the volt we know, which is given in the diagram as 2.5 volt. Okay, then for the resistance, we have two resistance in series, so the total resistance is equal to the addition of the two resistance, and that is 1 plus 3.4, which will give us 4.4 ohms. Okay, so we are looking for the I. Okay, that is the current. Alright, so now if we divide both sides of the equation by R, that is, we have I to the subject of the formula, and then we go ahead to impute the values accordingly. So for voltage we have 2.5, then for the resistance we have 4.4. So if we hit these on a calculator, 2.5 divided by 4.4, we have a final answer at 0.57 amps. Okay, so this is our final answer. Answer option A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.